And good afternoon, another My Jeep update for Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. I'm just doing some light work today. I got my springs back in. I'm holding off on my rear drive shaft. I got a boot coming. It's not coming till tomorrow, so I want that boot on that slip yoke before I install it. Anyway, just one of these little jobs I'm going to do is put these new front bump stops in. But I don't know what else I might do. I'm going to look around. Only problem is every time I look around when I'm up underneath that Jeep, I find something else that needs to be done. But anyway, that's an update for now. Any progress, and I'll get back with you. My Jeep out. And this is my Jeep update. Just got my bump stops in on the front, the new ones. That one there was only about half of one left in that cavity. And the other one over there, you can see it, there was nothing in that one, completely gone. So I'm sure that was some of the noise that I was hearing was from these either very little or no bump stops up front. Okay, that's my Jeep update out for now. And this is my Jeep again. I'm up underneath at the transfer case, and one of the things I forgot to do is when I pull my drive shaft out, is put my marks at the transfer case and the yoke at the differential. Okay, now I was told, and I could, on the drive shafts, you can easily see what's supposed to be an area for a key. There's two teeth that are wide apart. It was on the old drive shaft and it's on the new drive shaft. Now I'm trying to locate that and get it on video so if I can see, but I don't see anything that looks like a key in there. I'm having a hard time seeing, but get this light just right. That's what I'm looking for right now. Sorry for all this. I'm trying to look down in there. I just don't know how to get my light right for it. But anyway, all research that I've done said there's supposed to be a key, you know, a set of teeth that are wider apart that goes in that wider slot on the drive shaft. But I don't see anything. I don't know. I'm gonna cut this off for a while. Okay, I couldn't find anything that looks like what lines up. Now I've already tried the new drive shaft and it slides right on. No problem there. Maybe the key part of it's further down and you go so far and line it up. I don't know. I'll have to check on that. Now I'm gonna go over here on the other side by the differential and check my yoke because it had a lot of play in it. I had it in neutral at the time. I've got it in drive right now. I don't know if that'll make a difference, but I'm gonna check it. Okay, here I am. Here's the yoke at the rear differential. Everything I've read, I believe that might be about normal, but I really don't know. They said to make sure to check it from left to right and up and down. And I don't feel no play from left to right. And here's up and down, no play. But you know, you can see that slack. You can hear a little bit of noise. Now, they refer to that as backlash but I don't know if that's excessive or not. So that'd be something else I gotta look into. But left and right and up and down, it's good. It's steady, no play. It seems like it has a little slack. I don't know if it's too much. They said what I've read, that seems to be about normal. But if I start having doubts, I may go ahead and pull this out. And if it's barren, and I don't have a leak here, it's dry. And it could be the gears if that's excessive play, considered excessive play. Anyway, that's my Jeep update. If I find out anything else, I'll let you know. Out.